Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for Florida. I just got out the shower and I'm actually running a little bit late for a 10 o'clock nail appointment. I want to be there at least 5 minutes early and it takes about like 5 minutes to get there. So I have like 10 minutes to get ready roughly. I'm only going to be getting my toes done at the salon today just because I was going to get my nails done, but I thought like with my job, it's really a pain. They get in the way and I hit them on stuff. They hurt really bad. Like I've broken so many nails. And I feel like I could get shorter nails, but I don't know. I feel like if I'm paying the money, I would want like long nails. So I'm just going to skip the nails. I have some press-ons that I'm going to use that work exactly the same, and I could just take them off when I get back. This is my favorite serum ever. It's the 24 karat gold peptide infusion by Pearlescence. I got it from Marshall's for like $7 and it works amazing. It gives you such a glow, and that's exactly what I'm going for. I love dewy looking skin, especially because I have dry skin, but I just love a luminous look. Ow! Oh my god, you guys, my new piercings have been getting in the way more than I like thought they would. I can do a whole dedicated video on my piercings if you want like an update and everything, because some of my piercings haven't been going the best actually. 2 of them are forming bubbles and bumps and stuff, but comment down below if you guys do want that video, because I can definitely film that for you guys. Something that I've been loving doing to my hair after the shower is using a Revlon blowout brush. I'm not going to today because I simply just don't have time, but I just love the cute little like curl it gives at the end of your hair. I can insert a picture here. Unfortunately, my hair will probably be like completely dry by the time I get back from my nail appointment, so I guess we'll just have to like straighten it or something. But I have been using this every time after I get out of the shower. It's the Kristen S Detangling Tonic. It replenishes moisture. It's a detangler. It's like a 7-in-1, I think. I'm gonna brush out my hair and then we'll be on my way. I got like the extra pedicure. It's like a hot wax treatment. I'm really excited. So they gave me multiple options and I actually got the extra one. It's like a pitaya dragon fruit, and you get an exfoliating scrub, a callus removal treatment, a mask, and a warm paraffin treatment, which I think is like the hot wax on my feet. It feels so good right now. I have hot towels on my freshly shaven legs. It feels so good. Literally the best experience of my life. So I just finished up and Darian actually sat through the whole thing. It lasted way longer than I thought. It was supposed to be like around 45 minutes to an hour. And I went in at 10 o'clock and it's now 11:40, so way more than an hour. I honestly love how they came out, besides my like weird freaking shaped toes, because I had surgery on them. They pointed at it and they started like talking, and like the one girl that was working on me was laughing. I didn't really care, like it's not that big of a deal. She did an amazing job. I gave her an amazing tip. Me and Darren are gonna go get some breakfast, and then after that I'm gonna finish like getting ready, just because I couldn't do any makeup before the salon. I kind of just did like my after shower care. So I also have a ton to do today before the last day that I leave. I have to edit my pack with me video. I need to pre-upload that, like schedule it. I need to edit this video and schedule it. And then I need to like just do a couple of other like errands before I leave. It's now a bit later. I finished up the last of my wash. I'm now gonna deep clean my room before we go so it's nice and clean when I get back. I already wiped down the tables. I just need to dust and vacuum. My wash is done and my room is now clean. I just have all the stuff over here that are still like kind of last minute things. I just filled my shampoo and conditioner. These are the shoes that I'm wearing to the airport, and then this is all Darian's stuff, like his swimsuit and stuff that he needs to come over and get. But now I'm gonna finish up packing like everything I need: headphones, chargers, last minute stuff, licenses, money. Got my headphones charging right here. I think they're already fully charged, so yeah, I'm gonna bring the charger to these as well because I don't know how fast the battery goes. I just got these like a couple days ago. My phone charger is actually one of the very last things that I take because obviously I still have a whole night of rest to charge my phone, so I'll charge it tonight, and then when I wake up to leave I'll grab it with me. So it is now like a lot later. It's like 5:30, and basically the whole day I was just kind of running around. I had to drop some stuff off at the post office. I finished up my wash. I did an extra little wash, so now all of my clothes are now away. I'm just waiting for one to get out of the dryer, and then I need to fold and put that one away, but it's a really small load. Now I am editing my pack with me video. I was gonna do it on the plane because you don't need Wi-Fi for iMovie, but every time I say like, oh, I'm gonna edit in a car ride or whatever, I never do it and I just get tired and want to relax, so I'm gonna do it now. I'm also going to be doing a face mask while I'm editing. That way I can get my like pre-vacay skincare in. So I also wanted to change some of my jewelry, so I swapped out some studs on both of my ears, and then I also put my cross on and my chain. I'm now gonna conclude the night and I'm going to do my nails. So I finished my nails. I decided to do the 2 glitter in the middle just because the sizing that they had was really weird. I really love them. I think they're super cute. I'm going to finish the other hand, and that'll conclude this vlog simply because I got everything done that I needed to get done. I did my wash, I cleaned my room, edited and did everything, so I'm super glad I got everything out of the way. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below where your favorite place is to go on vacation. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my upcoming vacation vlogs. Stay on the lookout, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!